Hey guys, it's your girl Shniggi here. Do you want to get professional sound recordings for your vocals or instruments but can't afford to hire a recording studio? Well, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a professional recording area in your house at an affordable price, and let's face it, even a girl can do it. So if you want to see how I set up my sound treatment, then just keep watching. So the first thing I done was get cardboard boxes and cut out the same shape as the foam, but slightly smaller so that you don't see the cardboard when you stick it on the wall. Next up, I took quick glue and a brush and painted both the cardboard and the foam with the glue, and then I'm sticking them together by pressing down firmly. Then I left these out to dry for about 9 hours. You probably don't need to wait that long, but I just left them out when I went to work so that I knew that they were nice and dry. Next up, I'm taking everything out of my living room, which is where I'm going to be setting up my sound treatment. Anything like carpet, curtains and couches are actually good to leave because they absorb sound. So I'm going to be leaving those there and putting a blanket over my coffee table. I'm using heavy-duty double-sided tape to stick the foam to the wall. I'm in a rental, so I really hope this doesn't do too much damage to the walls. I'm going to be recording my vocals in here, so I'm measuring up where I'm going to be sticking the foam so that it's to the center of where my mouth is, and using that as a guide. If you're planning on setting up your sound treatment for recording instruments, you might want to consider what level your instrument is going to be at while recording so that you can use that as a guide on where to stick your foam. The purpose of the foam is to absorb the sound so that there's less echoes and reflections from the walls. Post-recording is much easier to put effects on, such as reverbs and echoes, and a lot harder to EQ out those muddy reflections that you would have had without using sound treatment. So that is how I set up my sound treatment for recording my vocals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will list in the down bar where I got all my materials from if you want to try this yourself. I think I spent about $50 in total, so it was all really affordable. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new. Aight, Shniggi out. Want to see how I got, so if you want to see how I set up my sound treatment, then just keep watching.